In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a sprint board on Monday.com. Let's start from the Monday.com homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account and you're on the main workspace view where you can see your existing boards. From here, we're going to base our sprint board on a template, which makes everything much faster and more consistent for your team. On the home screen, look for the option that says Start with Template. Go ahead and click that. This opens the Template Center, where Monday.com provides a lot of ready-made boards for different workflows. In the search bar of the Template Center, type the keyword you see in the video, then select the matching template when it appears in the results. This is the template we'll use as the foundation for our sprint board. Click on that template to open its details, then click on Use Template. Monday.com will now create a new board in your workspace based on that layout. This may take a moment. Once the board is created, it will open automatically. You'll see a structure that's already set up for sprint planning, including groups, items, and columns. Now we'll walk through the key areas you'll want to adjust for your team. First, locate the top section of the board where you can capture sprint-level details. One of the highlighted areas you'll click into is for gross capacity. Click where indicated, then choose Insert Gross Capacity. This is where you'll enter the total available effort for your team for this sprint, often measured in hours or story points, depending on your process. Next, click on the area for planned capacity and select Insert Planned Capacity. This is usually a bit lower than gross capacity, and it accounts for meetings, days off, or training. Filling these out helps you quickly see whether your sprint is overbooked or underutilized. You'll also see a field where you can type a note. Click into Type a Note and add any important context for this sprint, such as goals, constraints, or key dates. This note is helpful for anyone who opens the board later and needs to understand what the team is focusing on. Finally, move down through the highlighted sections in the board. Click into the relevant cells to rename groups, adjust item titles, and edit columns such as owners, status, or estimates. Where you see a prompt to type, enter meaningful names and values that match your team's workflow. By the end of this process, you'll have a sprint board that's fully tailored, with capacity set, notes documented, and work items ready to track throughout the sprint.